Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer client access in Search Console without losing To transfer client access in Search Console without losing verification, begin by signing into your Google Search Console account. Navigate to the property you want to transfer access for. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Select Users and Permissions from the menu. Here, you'll see a list of current users and their permissions. To add a new user, click on the blue Add User button. Enter the email address of the new user you wish to grant access to. Choose the appropriate permission level for this user. For full access, select Full, which allows the user to view and modify all settings. Click Add to finalize adding the new user. Now, ensure the new user can access and verify the property. Log out and have the new user log into Google Search Console with their email. Once logged in, they should be able to see the property under their account. At this point, navigate back to your account. Revisit the Users and Permissions section. Find your user profile in the list and click the Options menu next to it. Select Remove to revoke your own access. Confirm the removal of your access. The property remains verified under the new user's account. The new user now has full access without losing verification. Remember to communicate with the new user about their responsibilities in managing the property. Following these steps ensures a seamless transition while maintaining property verification status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.